shipped on March 1st, 2006. That makes this thing 14 years old. Wow. Matt here from Matt's Trains and Tractors. We are 4 subscribers away from 100 subscribers. My good friend Central PA Rail Fan just recently hit 100 subscribers about a day or two ago, and I was really proud of him to see his channel grow. So if you like trains and tractors, definitely hit that subscribe button down there. We are on the road to 100 subscribers, and it has been a blast watching this channel grow. But it's not about the subscribers today. It's about something I found in my train closet in my basement here in the layout downstairs that's never been unboxed for 14 years. That's right. This Lionel box right here has been sitting in another cardboard box for 14 years, and it's never been unboxed. And it's 9 o'clock on a Friday night. What else could be better than checking out a U.S. steel slag car, and it's a 3-pack. Lionel claims it has a die-cast metal body, die-cast metal sprung trucks, flickering slag load. I think it's talking about hot metal, and a rotating bucket. This is going to be interesting. Let's unbox it. You guys saw the intro. I'm Matt, and let's get to it. Alright, you guys already know what's going on tonight. We are unboxing this slag steel, U.S. slag steel car. I don't even know how to pronounce it right. I know how to pronounce it, but I don't know how to say it properly. U.S. steel slag car 3-pack from Lionel. Hasn't seen the light of day in 14 years. Alright, here we go. Oh, wow. Hello. Oh, they packaged one upside down right there. Wow, these look good. Look like fresh Lionel cars. Alright. Here we go. Over 14 years. And the instructions just fell out the back. Now guys, I know some people really don't like instructions. Always read the instructions, even if it's rolling stock. Oh, wow. I'm looking at the picture. I know this is probably bothering you guys, so I haven't even looked at the cover of the box, but I have looked at the cover of this. You know me, I love my 3-packs. When I got that 3-pack of Philadelphia Energy Tanker cars from Lionel, that was my first video, did an unboxing on that. I was super excited. So it's showing us our uncoupling trigger right there. 2 small lamps. Oh, the lamps will require replacement, but they should be replaced by an authorized Lionel service center. Alright, here we go. About to unbox. One Lionel Slag car. Man. Wow. Honestly, wow. Tread well. Says it right there. This is Slag Car number 205. Says it right there on the little post. Wow, these things look really nice. From the owner's manual to reality. How's that? Wow, look at that. And it's even got the little uncoupling clips right there. Let's go to the next one. Alright, this Slag Car is number 204, so I'm guessing the other one is number 203 or 206. Wow, guys. This is very, very cool. They feel great. The buckets rotate like this. Oh, wow. Look at that detail. We'll get into some more detail soon. Wow. Take a look at that. So if you are a fan, going back from all the way to my first video where I unboxed and reviewed the Philadelphia Energy tank cars, those are 30K tank cars, and they came in a 3-pack just like the Slag Cars. If you'll recall, each one had a different number. This one is 204, there's another Slag Car that's 203, and then there's another Slag Car that's 205. As you can see, right there, in the middle of your screen, it says 204. That's just to differentiate the car. Now basically, this is like a hot metal car. I also have a hot metal car. It's really my brother's, but he doesn't live at home. He lives in a different state now. He's much older than I am. But anyway, we're not here to talk about my brother. We're here to talk about the Slag Car. This is basically an open hot metal car, and apparently this light flickers inside, and I can't wait to see that. Now let's talk about this physical car itself. Every single car is the same except for the number. So this one is 204. So right in the middle of 203 and 205. So let's talk about on the left side. So looking at the left side or the front side of the Slag Car, whichever you want to call it, as you can see, this is very highly detailed. We have a little chain right up here that kind of dangles like that, and another one over there. We have some sort of heating tank right up here. You know, it's so detailed that it even has these little rivets on it, and that to me is just beauty in and of itself. These couplers can be fired with this little switch here. It's not your typical Lionel push down, it's your typical Lionel pull back. And they open up just like that. Now with more modern rolling stock, they're like that, and also with older rolling stock. Now granted, this is 14 years old, if I haven't said that already. This looks like some sort of coupler cut bar. Right there, I'll zoom in for you. Right here. Looks like some sort of coupler cut bar. And right back here, we have some sort of pulling device. But you also don't want to be too fierce with these, because there has been so much work and so much hard thinking that went into making this that it would be a shame for one of these little levers to break. Turning the car, let's look at the truck. So they are real sprung trucks. So if you look in the middle of the truck, right there, those are real springs. Here is where Lionel really took a step up. I'm going to zoom in even more to show you guys the detail. So when this Slag Car dumps, it rotates like this. Now, if you can't tell, there's a little like gear here that rotates along this unevenly grooved track, and it moves. And it moves with this little piece back here, and it goes from side to side. There's a little rod right there, and it goes from side to side. How cool is that? And it's super smooth, and it also rotates along the top, along that upper rod too. It's like it's hanging and turning, and it's almost the same on the other side of the Slag car, except it isn't opened up, so there isn't this box right there. Honestly, this is amazing. I can't believe this has been in my closet for 14 years. That's just sad. Another copper cup bar right here. Very nicely done. I love how you can turn them. To me, that's just great. Rotates like this, and I believe that these are lighted. It said they were lighted. Alright, there you have it. That is the US Steel Slag car number 204 from Lionel. Lionel has done a fantastic job with this. I just love, it's like watching the Shay. You know, the 3-truck Shay or 2-truck Shay, but the 3-truck Shay is more, it's more intricately designed with the gearing system, and that is just beautiful to watch. I'm not sure how well you guys can see this, but right there it says Treadwell or Treelwell, Tread. It says Treadwell. And I think that's like if, yeah, so maybe if it spills, it goes into the well down there. Comment below if you've ever seen some steel slag cars before. This is really, really nice. Also, did I mention this is all die cast? And the only plastic on here are really these little levers, but that's okay. You know, I'm totally cool with that. Little levers down here, and maybe a little bit on the coupler as well, but the coupler is cold, and usually metal's cold, especially when it's in a basement. Right before we put these steel slag cars on the track and get to experience them, I just want to talk about all three. Like I said before, this one right in front of you, the closest right here, that's number 205. This one over here, I have it on the wrong side. This is 203. And this one back here is 204. If that's bothering you guys, hopefully now it's not bothering you. It bothers me when things are out of place like that, so just trying to keep it cool. So, all steel slag cars have opening metal couplers on each side. That is really nice, because honestly, you need that, or else you have to pick up the car and drop it in the other coupler, or do the same thing with the other car you want to attach to the slag car. These cars, I was not expecting them to be this highly detailed and this highly crafted with such high-end material. And look at this. This one has more of a yellow center. This one has more of a yellow center. But this one barely even turns. I don't know. Oh yes it does. It's just never been turned before, so it's super like lubed up. And this one has less of a brightened center. So as you can see, Lionel is always trying to make things more detailed. And I gotta say, Lionel has done a fantastic job, and I'm very pleased with the way these US Steel Slag cars have turned out. Let's go put them on the track and run them around the layout for the first time in 14 years. Take a look at this. I got the Steel Slag cars on the little siding where I like to put my newer cars. And as you can see, they're flickering. This one might be in a bad power zone, but they're supposed to flicker like hot metal. How cool is that? Sadly, the rear electrocoupler on my ES44AC sadly will not fire from the command control remote. So we're just going to throw that like that. And here we go, we're coupling up. Boom. Alright. Here we go. Alrighty everybody, here comes Union Pacific 8044, the ES44AC Greyhound, coming across the double bridge, pulling these 14-year-old U.S. Slag Steel Cars. Enjoy the show.
Dispatcher, you got any more parts for us? Over.
Okay. See? Yeah. Oh yeah, I see.
Go ahead. Over. That's great. We're making good time. Out.
Smart to ask for that.
Alrighty, everybody. Matt here from Match Trains and Tractors, signing out today. Hope you enjoyed this episode. UP8044 is saying good night for tonight. And just enjoy this last final shot. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Let's get to 100 subscribers. Bye-bye.